is up, YouTube? It's your girl Dior, and I'm back with more. No lie, no lie, no lie.
Your body killing and me see the damn crime. From a mile when me see the tan.
I want to say first and foremost, if you're a return subscriber, welcome back. And if you're new, hey, what's up? My name is Danny. I like to eat, do my hair, and get cute to go nowhere. Period, poo. So I know you guys, I told you I wouldn't take any more hiatuses, but girl is stressed. I just have a lot going on, you know, with it being my senior year, college apps, work, business. I just have a lot, and of course, you know, I'm not gonna sit here and be like I can't handle it, but it's just one of those things where I have to get my priorities straight. So school comes first more than anything. And I wouldn't say I don't care about YouTube, because I love each and every one of y'all dearly, but it just comes to one of those things where it's like, okay, well, somebody gonna have to get put on the back burner, and that was YouTube, because it just is. That's how everything works. So I'm going to try my best now that I kind of got everything, you know, balanced, leveled out. Try my best to get back on my YouTube-ish. If I need a breather again, I will let y'all know this time. I'm not gonna go MIA. But I decided to film me doing my hair. I had that little, you know, highlighted wig. I don't know if I can see that, but it broke me out. I wouldn't say it's the wig. And y'all see that? Like, it's all around my hairline too. So I said, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and give wigs a break before I lose my edges. Yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so here I didn't feel like I needed some long drawn out intro, so I'm just plaiting my hair in different sections. This is the foundation, the base, most important part of your butterfly locks, because this is what you're gonna wrap your weave around. So basically, it doesn't have to be tight or neat because you're gonna wrap it around to your liking, but just make sure you try to part as best as you can. Also, the size I chose was kind of medium because I wanted a full, you know, like a full look. I didn't want to look like I had 12 locks in my head. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just sectioning it off the best that I can and plaiting my hair. You don't have to plait it all the way down, but just make sure that you have a good foundation set before you start wrapping the hair around it.
No lie, no lie.
No lie, no lie, no lie.
Your body killing and me see the damn crime. From a mile when me see the tan line. She a dime, can you be me sunshine? When you boom for me baby and give me some wine. Boom, boom for me, boom mama mama. Boom for me, boom mama mama. Boom for me, boom mama mama. Sexy shape on ya.
After I braided everything, the front looks like extremely short because y'all see the colors at the end. I've been trying to cut the color out, like let it grow and cut it out because it look ghetto. So that's why it's extremely shorter than the rest of my hair. Also, the leave-in conditioner caused my hair to shrink up, but it's okay because it's gonna get tucked in anyways. So to achieve this style, you're going to need a crochet needle. Get this from your local beauty spot store. This was about $1 and some change. And then you're going to need the Freetress Braid Jazz Water Wave. Not Jazz Water, it's Water Wave 22 inches. I got the color 1. This is my first time doing butterfly locks, so I'm like, I'm gonna play it safe and, you know, get black. So if it do look kind of crazy, at least it won't stand out, you know, you feel me? And usually I seen people get 5 to 7 packs. 6 packs, honestly didn't even know I would need that much, but you know, just to play it safe, I ended up getting 6. You take it out the pack. This is how it looks, or how it should look. Very curly, coily hair. It's pretty soft actually. That's good. So I was told to take 2 pieces. Yeah, so Okay, so I'll slow it down so you guys can understand what I'm doing. But basically, you're going to slide the crochet needle under the braid, not into the braid at the top. You're going to slide it in, and then you're going to take the hair and latch it on and pull it through. But when you pull it through, you're only going to tug on one side so that it's like split and you have an end coming out on both sides. Once you have it through, gonna unlatch it and only pull one side while leaving the other side in there. So then you're gonna leave like this much, or however long you want it, really, because it's gonna shrink. I want it kind of to my shoulders. Actually, I want it long at the top and then short at the bottom. Okay, so once you have the size or the length that you want, you're gonna take the longer piece and wrap it around the whole entire thing. And what I do is this method called the thumb method. Basically, you're wrapping it, once you start from the top and you go down, you're wrapping it over your thumb to create this kind of gap in the hair, making it, you know, look butterfly or distressed, may I add. So yeah, I mean, this style is not meant to be perfect, so you can go as big as you want in the loops or as small as you want, just to give it that natural distressed look.
I see you shooting my shot, get it fast, you're the best. I need you, yeah, I need you. When you get undressed in the pic and the text, need a preview.
I think that's good right there. Flip that up, wrap it back up. Leave a little curl at the end. Damn, I'm about to break my nail off because this is getting in the way. Period, fool. When you get back to the top, wrap it back around. No lie, I love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, you're flawless and you don't try. Your body like the tropics, girl, you are the topic. No lie, your body like the tropics. Period.
No lie, no lie, no lie.
Your body killing and me see the damn crime. From a mile when me see the tan line. She a dime, can you be me sunshine? When you boom for me baby and give me some wine. Boom, boom for me, boom, mama, mama. Boom for me, boom, mama, mama. Boom for me, boom, mama, mama. Sexy shape on you like a sauna. Your body like the tropics. Girl, you are the topic. No lie, no lie. Your body like the tropics. Girl, you are the topic. No lie, no lie. I see you shooting my shot, get it fast, you're the best. I need you, yeah, I need you. When you get undressed in the pic and the text, need a preview. Oh, oh, you know how it go. Oh, they ain't gotta know, no, no, no. We already know. Oh, she know I'm on her. She had a nigga, now he's a goner. No calisthenics, I pull up on her. I make a movie, it could be horror. Please do not judge me, excuse me, your honor. Come get this work, yeah, you my Rihanna. Keep it a buck, yeah, I'm on 100. Yeah, I'm being honest, yeah, yeah, yeah. Your body like the tropics, yeah, yeah. Girl, you are the topic, yeah. No lie, no lie. Your body like the tropics, girl, you are the topic, yeah. No lie, no lie. No lie, no lie. Me love the way you keep your body at my pride. No lie, no lie. For you, I just happiness me gon' provide. No lie, no lie. I love the way you keep your body at my broad eyes. No lie, no lie. You're flawless and you don't try. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body hell like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie.
No lie, no lie, no lie.
Your body killing and me see the damn crime. From a mile when me see the tan line. She a dime, can you be me sunshine? When you boom for me baby and give me some wine. Boom, boom for me, boom mama mama. Boom for me, boom mama mama. Boom for me, boom mama mama. Sexy shape on you like a sauna. Your body like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic. No lie, no lie. Your body like the tropics. Girl, you are the hot topic.
So what's up, y'all? I took about 3 breaks. And this is what I got so far. So the back 2 rows are done. Looking very much distressed and not depressed. Okay, period. I did it pretty tight. I know a couple of them I have to go back over. Like this one, I feel it's unraveling at the top a little bit. So the only thing you have to make sure that you wrap it really tight around the top. But for the most part, they're good. It's sturdy. And I did the first row of my hair. It's currently up in a pony because, yeah. So I'm going to give you guys a closer look at how I did it, like up close. So you're going to take your crochet hook. Make sure it's closed before you go in there, or else it's going to snag your hair to where it can get in there evenly. You feel me? So once that's in there, and this should automatically open, right? If not, just go ahead and open that bit. And you're going to take 2 pieces of the Jazz Water. How do you say it? It's Water Wave. 2 pieces of the Water Wave hair. And you're just going to lash that bit on. Make sure it's in there before you close it, because if not, it's going to be a sample. And then pull the hair back through. And it's as easy as that. It shouldn't be tugging. If it's tugging, you did it wrong. Or you probably lashed it on something you weren't supposed to lash on. So you're only going to pull one side of the hair. Don't pull both, because you need one side to stay there so you can actually have something to wrap around. So once you have the side that you chose, you're going to have it at the desired length you want. I'm going for the shoulder length kind of vibe. So I'm going to make it a little bit longer than the shoulder, because at the end, you're going to see why. So once you have this in there, you're going to take it and start wrapping around the top. Make sure that you do this part tight, or as tight as you need to, because this is what's going to secure the rest of the butterfly lock. So get as tight as you need to, shawty. You have enough hair to wrap it around as much as you need. And then after you do that, you go on, so on and so forth, and start wrapping it down as you please. But to get the kind of butterfly distress look, I do this thing called the thumb method, meaning you place your thumb or whichever finger right here and you loop the hair over. So that should create a space, and then you remove your thumb. I have rhinestones, so it's kind of like a little ghetto for me to move it. Once you move your thumb, there should be an extra space there. Y'all see how I'm just keep going? And y'all see how the ruffles are up there? That's because I kept my thumb in place to, you know, help give it that butterfly look. Because these are meant to look not messy, but they're meant to look not in place. So you're going to keep going until you get to your desired length.
Wrap it back around the top. If you want to leave those curls out, you can. But, just go try to wrap everything in. So if I do well on the rest of them, not taking really. I think it's still kind of struggling, because I keep getting in the way. And you know you don't really have to go so much with the thumb, unless you want like really super distressed. So yeah, I kind of need to wrap mine back up.
And if you can reach the top, try to wrap it back around the starting point, just so you can know it's secure. You don't have to do that because due to the hair texture, it should naturally stay. But yeah. So this is how it should end up. Okay, so on the curls in the corner, but this is how it should end up. How it should look. Whatever reason you feel like the lock is gonna unravel, you can easily take some nail glue and put it right at the top, not on your real hair, but right at the top where it starts or where it ended at, just so you know that it won't unravel. This is the finished look, you guys. I didn't add any mousse or styling gel or anything to it. The duration, meaning the time it took to do this, was about 5 hours. Not including like the breaks and stuff. I just calculated like the time I was doing my hair, so it took me 5 hours. This is not a style you hot water, but I do have to go in and trim the flyaways or take some mousse, either or. But I don't even got none next to me, so yeah, just watch me do my edges. Now I'm gonna take my 24-hour edge tamer. This is from Eben. To me personally, this is the best one because Eco Styler, all it does is curl my hair up, and then Edge Booster, it turns my hair white, but this doesn't really do anything. If anything, you know, I sweat it out and then that's that. But for the most part, holds my hair pretty well, you know, as long as it's edges and not adult hairs. And then Got To Be is also good as well, but I don't want to put something so heavy on my edges all the time, so I just use this. And sweet baby. Yeah, that wasn't hard. I'm trying.
Excuse me, Your Honor. Come get this work, yeah, you my Rihanna. Keep it a buck, yeah, I'm on 100.
One neck, and that's just period. Let's get into, ooh. Like, can we please get into these edges though? Like, pretty please. Yeah, I'm clearly feeling myself. And who wants to do something about it? So yeah, you guys, that wraps it up for my butterfly lock watch me work, not a tutorial. This is my first time doing it myself, but honestly I love it. Like, is it giving the girls what the girls need? Because it's giving me what I need, like, most definitely. Like I said, the duration for this style was about 5 hours, you know, not including breaks and everything, but I like it. Now it is kind of heavy because it is quite a bit of hair on my head, but not to the point where I feel like, oh, I can't go to sleep or it's just overbearing. Styles like this, it's meant to look not messy but distressed, like not supposed to look perfect. So you can keep it in as long as you want, girl. Do I recommend keeping it in for months? No, but yeah. I noticed y'all love my hair video, so I'm gonna try to, you know, get back on it for real this time. I don't know when I'm gonna take this out because I'm tired and I'm not letting my work go to waste. But yeah, don't forget to shop Dior Dynasty. These are my Dior Dynasty lashes in the silver boxes, and those are 50% off until further notice, so catch the sale before it ends. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with more. Bye, Dior Dynasty.